Hello and welcome back. In this section, we're going to talk about the drivers of cloud computing. One of the main drivers of cloud computing is capacity planning. Capacity planning requires the ability to predict future resource usage, which can be quite challenging in a very dynamic environment. Not only is it difficult to predict future usage, it's also difficult to balance steady state. In other words, the amount of resources that are required over a period of time with fluctuating demands for resources. Take, for example, the retail industry. Around Black Friday, there are usually spikes of demand that need to be satisfied. The next driver for cloud computing is operational overhead. And by operational overhead, we're specifically referring to the cost of accessing IT resources. Typically, traditional IT requires us to have access to upfront capital that enables us to purchase the resources that we require in order to deliver services to our end clients. Additionally, traditional IT also requires us to do everything ourselves. In other words, we need to have access to skilled resource that covers the entire spectrum from configuring and maintaining servers to networks to storage systems, etc. The next driver for cloud computing is organizational agility. Many businesses today are experiencing a dynamic environment where they are under constant competitive pressure. This changing landscape requires the ability for IT systems to be adaptable in order to continue serving the needs of customers. Grid computing is another driver for cloud computing. It enables a pool of resources to be shared amongst many users, and this is the foundation for the delivery of elastic services. Clustering has also played a key role in the emergence of cloud computing. This refers specifically to the ability to group IT resources in pools that enable systems to be able to cope with fluctuating demands. And finally, virtualization, another key driver for cloud computing. Virtualization enables us to maximize our investment in infrastructure resources by enabling multiple use cases or multiple users to be able to share the same underlying physical infrastructure. Although there may be other drivers of cloud computing, you're most likely to encounter the drivers we've just outlined as the motivation for many clients to embark on a journey of cloud adoption.